So as we completed our chapter, that is monophasic liquid dosage form, right? So from today we will start our new chapter, that is a it is also a liquid dosage form, but it is a biphasic. In our previous slide we had discussed the monophasic liquid dosage form, right? We all know that is liquid dosage form are divided into two basic part, that is biphasic and monophasic, or monophasic or biphasic, right? Monophasic liquid dosage form, that is means contain only one phase, and liquid dosage biphasic means made up of with a two phase, right? Either it is oil or water, or solid particles, or water or solvent liquid phase, right? In monophasic liquid dosage form, the particles are solid or either gas or either liquid are dissolved into another liquid. But in monophasic liquid dosage form, one solid part, that is solid phase, is dispersed into a or dissolved into another phase, that is liquid phase. But in monophasic liquid dosage form, the whatever the liquid, gas or solid are used, they are sometime or easily dissolve in liquid vehicle, right? But in case of biphasic liquid dosage form, the solid particles are does not dissolve, it only distribute or suspended or make a dispersion of liquid, right? Means insoluble substance, right? Insoluble insoluble solid substance or particles or medicament are given in the form of suspension, right? Because various due to the various factor or various reason, like if our drug is not compatible or not suitable for liquid preparation, only solution form, right? And that time also use the by you make the suspension, right? That is biphasic liquid dosage form. Or sometime suppose our drug is not suitable for long time, right? With liquid preparation, that time also that preparation are dispensed in a suspension form, right? Let's start with our new chapter, that is biphasic liquid dosage form. That is first preparation from the biphasic liquid dosage form, it is a suspension, and another one is a emulsion, right? So emulsion is our upcoming chapter, right? In suspension there is a two kind of suspension, that is flocculated and deflocculated suspension, right? Let's start with our new chapter, right? So biphasic liquid dosage form, and this is the author introduction, right? That is means it's me. So in our new chapter we will discuss about the or discuss about the this content regarding the suspension, right? That is the introduction part of suspension, that is biphasic liquid dosage form. Suspension is one of the preparation from the biphasic liquid dosage form, as like we had covered, like mixtures, elixirs, syrup, then gargles, then douches, etc., right? Similarly, it is suspension also one of the example or one of the preparation from the biphasic liquid dosage form. It has a two phase, made up of with a two phase, that's why it is called as a biphasic. And that monophasic is made up of only one phase, right? That's why it called monophasic. So in this new chapter we will discuss the introduction of suspension, then classification of suspension, means how the classification are divided, right? Then difference between the flocculated and deflocculated suspension, right? Flocculated and deflocculated suspension means stable and non-stable. And this flocculated and non-flocculated also called as deflocculated, right? Then formulation of suspension, then how to formulate it, then method of dispensing of suspension, how the suspension, how should be the suspension should be dispensed, right? As like a mixture over, right? Then it is similar, quite similar like a mixture preparation over from the monophasic liquid dosage form. Then stability of suspension, then how to maintain a stability of suspension, right? What kind of factors, then what kind of reasons are responsible for instability or instability of suspension, right? So these are whole information we will discuss accordingly in this chapter, right? Then I think we should start this with a small introduction, right? So let's focus and carefully listen whatever I will saying, right, or explaining. So let's have a look on over this slide. That is, there is a three kind of preparations, right? That is a I think you are seeing, that is there is a three kind of test tube, right? Contain a different kind of preparation, right? So it is one kind of test tube. It is a test tube contain a solution. Test tube contain a solution. Then the second test tube contain a suspension. It is a suspension dosage form. It is a solution dosage form. Then it is also kind of solution, that is but it contain a precipitate. It contain a precipitation, right? Means for showing these pictures, the reason behind showing this picture is to you have to better understand this suspension dosage form, right? Because it is a newer for you, it is a new chapter for you, right? The suspension, I think you are actually the antibiotic, most of time the antibiotics are given in a suspension form, which is not which is unstable in a liquid, right, for a long period of time. That kind of antibiotics are given in the suspension form also, right? Then means that called as reconstituted suspension, means on powder, before the administration the injection, the powder are dissolved into a proper purified water, and after that it will taken, right? So look it carefully, that is, this is a suspension. My solution means whatever the drug are dissolve in the solvent or a solution or a vehicle, it are fully or totally डिजॉल्व, राइट? देखा जाए तो यहाँ पे देखिए सॉल्यूशन जो है, इसमें जो पार्टिकल्स जो डिजॉल्व किए वो पूरी तरह से इसमें डिजॉल्व हो चुका है वाटर में, ठीक है? बट इन सस्पेंशन में क्या होता है, जो पार्टिकल्स है वो इंसोल्यूबल रहता है, ठीक है? इंसोल्यूबल रहता है, इसकी वजह से क्या होता है, ये डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होता है यूनिफॉर्मली, ठीक है? डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होता है यूनिफॉर्मली, मीन्स डिस्पर्शन बनता है या फिर डिस्पर्स होता है या फिर सस्पेंड होता है इनटू अ लिक्विड, राइट? But not form any precipitate, right? But in this there is a formation of precipitate, means insoluble preparation, insoluble substance are make us precipitate here, right? There is a precipitate. यहाँ पे क्या होता है, यहाँ पे कोलॉइडल पार्टिकल्स तैयार होते हैं, यहाँ पे ग्रुप ऑफ स्मॉल पार्टिकल, दैट इज कोलॉइडल. और यहाँ पे जो होता है, यहाँ पे ये जो है प्रेसिपिटेट, ठीक है? ये भी इंसोल्यूबल पार्टी है जो बॉटम में डिपॉजिट होता है, उसे प्रेसिपिटेट कहा जाता है. एंड देन द अबव पोर्शन, दिस इज द सुपरनेटल लिक्विड, राइट? बट दिस इज द सस्पेंशन, इट इज अनदर फॉर्म, राइट? इट इज अ सस्पेंशन, मीन्स द insoluble solid particles are dispersed or distributed throughout the vehicle or लिक्विड और डिस्पर्शन मीडिया, राइट? जो स्मॉल पार्टिकल्स हो क्या होता है, डिजॉल्व नहीं होता है, ठीक है? इसकी वजह से क्या होता है, और प्रेसिपिटेट भी नहीं होता है, मतलब यहाँ पे बॉटम में ऐसा जमा भी नहीं होता है, ये सिर्फ क्या होकर रहता है, डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होकर रहता है लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, ज़्यादा, ठीक है? फॉर द लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम दैट पर्टिकुलर पार्टिकल आर डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड इन थ्रू आउट द लिक्विड, ठीक है? दैट इज कॉल्ड एज अ सस्पेंशन. सो जस्ट यू फॉर योर बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग, दिस इज द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ सस्पेंशन, राइट? So it is a differ from this preparation and this preparation, right? For your better understanding, I was seeing, right? Then just start with a definition. Suspension is a biphasic liquid dosage form, contain a very fine particles of insoluble solid material, right? Then the range of that particles, that is should be 0.5 to 5 micron, which are dispersed in a liquid or semi solid vehicle, right? So suspension is a biphasic liquid dosage form, right? And it contains a very fine particle of insoluble solid material. It contains a very fine particle of insoluble solid material, that is our drug, that is our drug, medicament, or along with additives also, right? And that the range of particles should be between 0.5 to 5 micron, and these particles insoluble fine particle of insoluble solid material should be dispersed or distribute throughout the liquid or semi liquid vehicle, right? So let's say this is the dispersion. This is the picture of dispersion, means our finely particle of insoluble solid material are dispersed in a liquid. This is the dispersion. It is a dispersion, means dispersion मतलब ये जो फाइनली जो पार्टिकल है वो डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होना थ्रू आउट द लिक्विड, ठीक है, थ्रू आउट द लिक्विड. इंसोल्यूबल है इसलिए क्या होगा, सोलूबल नहीं होगा और प्रेसिपिटेट भी फॉर्म नहीं करेगा. ये क्या होगा, सिर्फ डिस्पर्स्ड होगा, मतलब पूरी तरह से थ्रू आउट द लिक्विड में क्या होगा, वो डिस्पर्स हो जाएगा, ठीक है. Also we will prepare suspension in our practical, right? Then you will better understand, right? Then and the particle size, मतलब ये जो particle size है सस्पेंशन का वो क्या होना चाहिए, 0.5 to 5 माइक्रोन के बीच में होना चाहिए, ठीक है. तो ये एक रेंज दिया गया है फॉर द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ सस्पेंशन. So this is the all about our definition. I think you are understand. Liquid preparation contain a very fine particle of insoluble solid material. Insoluble solid material मतलब हमारा जो ड्रग है, insoluble जो ड्रग है वाटर में soluble नहीं है, ठीक है. Then which are dispersed in a liquid or semi-liquid vehicle, right? Then this dosage form is made up of by two phase, right? Means suspension are made up of, or biphasic liquid dosage form made up by two phase, that is one is dispersed phase and second is continuous phase. One is dispersed phase and second is continuous phase, and continuous phase is also called as dispersion medium, right? So let's see what is the dispersed media. Means dispersed phase means solid particles of suspension. Whatever the solid particles mean, insoluble solid particles are known as a dispersed phase. And then liquid vehicle of suspension means liquid phase of suspension are called as a continuous phase, right? Continuous phase means this solid, that is dispersed phase, are suspended or distribute or dispersed into a continuous phase, right? That is liquid phase. मतलब जो डिस्पर्स मीडिया रहता है, जो सॉलिड पार्टिकल रहता है, वो क्या होता है, डिस्पर्स होता है, डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होता है और सस्पेंड होता है. मिक्स नहीं होता है, ठीक है, सिर्फ मिक्स डिजोल्व नहीं होता है, सिर्फ मिक्स होता है, ठीक है. डिजोल्व नहीं होता है, सिर्फ क्या होता है, कंटिन्यूस फेज के साथ क्या होता है, सिर्फ मिक्स हो जाता है, कुछ देर के लिए मिक्स हो जाता है, लेकिन डिजोल्व नहीं होता है, ठीक है. मिक्सिंग एंड डिजोल्विंग में फ़र्क है. डिजोल्व होता है तो मतलब होमोजेनियस क्लियर मिक्सचर मिलता है, ठीक है, अगर डिजोल्व होता है तो प्रॉपरली, ठीक है. एंड अगर मिक्स होता है, सिर्फ डिजोल्व नहीं होता होगा, तो क्या होगा, यहाँ पे एक फेज बनेगा, दैट इज डिस्पर्शन फेज, ठीक है. मतलब सॉलिड मेक अ डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर डिस्पर्स इनटू अ लिक्विड व्हीकल, ठीक है. तो दिस इज द फेज, दैट इज डिस्पर्स फेज एंड कंटिन्यूस फेज. जब प्रैक्टिकल में हम लोग परफॉर्म करेंगे तो हम आपको अच्छे से समझ में आएगा एक्चुअली क्या होता है सस्पेंशन, ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे सिर्फ जो याद रखना है, डिस्पर्स फेज एंड कंटिन्यूस फेज जो है आपको याद रखना है. देन सस्पेंशन क्या होता है, डेफिनेशन क्या है उसका, व्हाट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ सस्पेंशन, एंड वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, इट इज़ अ रेंज ऑफ इनसोल्युबल सॉलिड मटेरियल, राइट. जो पार्टिकल्स का जो रेंज है वो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है, राइट. तो ये सब ध्यान में रखना है. देन कंटिन्यूस फेज, व्हाट इज कंटिन्यूस फेज, यू शुड नो द डिस्पर्स फेज देन कंटिन्यूस फेज ऑल्सो, राइट. तो जनरली द सस्पेंशन टेकन इधर ओरली, पैरेंटरली और इंस्टिल इनटू बॉडी, इंस्टिल इनटू आइज. मीन्स सस्पेंशन जो है वो तो ओरली भी लिया जाता है, इंजेक्शन थ्रू भी लिया जाता है, या फिर इंस्टॉल भी किया जाता है, ठीक है. नॉट अ पर्टिकुलर फॉर कैविटी के लिए ऐसा नहीं है. तो ये ओरली भी ले सकते हैं हम लोग, पैरेंटरली भी ले सकते हैं और आइज में इंस्टिल भी कर सकते हैं, ठीक है. तो वेरियस काइंड ऑफ ड्रग आर dispense in the suspension form, right? So I think it is enough for today, right? Remaining portion we will